Imagine floating out of bed. No need for stairs, just push off the wall and glide to the kitchen. Need to grab something? No problem. Just let it float nearby. This is daily life in space. Zero gravity, or microgravity, is the most noticeable difference between life on Earth and life in space. It affects everything, from how you move to how you eat. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore a day in the life of an astronaut, living in a world without gravity. Weightlessness is a unique sensation. It's not just about floating. Your body feels light, your movements become effortless. Without gravity pulling you down, your spine stretches, making you taller. Fluids shift upwards, giving you a puffy face and bird legs. It takes time to adjust to this new reality, but once you do, it's a truly liberating experience. Living in space requires adapting to a whole new set of rules. Astronauts need to learn new ways to move, eat, sleep, and even use the bathroom. Everything is designed for a weightless environment. Velcro straps hold your belongings, special containers keep food from floating away. It's a constant learning process, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You learn to appreciate the ingenuity and resourcefulness required to live in such an extreme environment. Even simple tasks become tricky in zero gravity. Eating requires special utensils and food that won't crumble and float away. Exercising is crucial to maintain muscle and bone mass. Astronauts use resistance bands and special equipment to simulate gravity's effects. Sleeping is different too. You can sleep anywhere, in any position, as long as you're strapped in. Imagine sleeping upside down, or even sideways. Life in space isn't all work and no play. Zero gravity offers unique opportunities for fun and games. You can fly through the air, spin like a top, or play catch with floating objects. Water forms into perfect spheres, creating fascinating visual effects. Astronauts often conduct experiments, testing the behavior of objects in weightlessness. It's a chance to learn and have fun at the same time. Living in space is a unique and challenging experience. It tests your physical and mental limits, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You gain a new perspective on Earth, seeing it as a fragile oasis in the vastness of space. You learn to appreciate the interconnectedness of all things. I encourage you to learn more about space exploration. It's a field full of wonder, inspiration, and endless possibilities.